Hey guys, it's Chantel GovSuccess. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the beta.sam.gov website for you to search for opportunities and contract awards. It's important to note you do not need to be registered in order to search for opportunities or awards. To search contract opportunities, simply go to the search bar at the top and select contract opportunities. At this point, there's no need to put anything in the search bar. Just simply click on the search button. Once you get to the contract opportunities page, you'll see some header that has some simple instructions on what you can do. Simply scroll down to the search results and make sure you have two key things checked. You want to make sure you have active only, so you're searching only opportunities that are actively being pursued. And last updated date is the best filter in my opinion. You could search by title and use the keyword section to the left, but last updated date will keep the latest and greatest to the top of the screen. The next thing I'll do is to also check my filters. As you'll notice in the left-hand column, different filter options, but the place of performance location only allows for your zip code. There is an alternate filter in this system, so if you click on change filters in the upper left, you can scroll down and check on the state. Sometimes that gives you a broader sense instead of just the small location of a zip code. For example, I might live in a 3-mile area that has one zip code, but outside of that zip code, there's more opportunities for me within the same area. So I like to click on state and narrow it down by city at that point. So just click on the state and update to change those filters. Next, scroll down and enter your NAICS code or the PCS code. NAICS is more broad in base for industry, and if you have a product or a specific item, it's best to use the PCS code. You can use both or one or the other. And then of course your state. So say we're in Florida looking for janitorial services, the system will automatically filter. You see how it all went away? So there's a couple of items right here available in Miami. There's something right here. I'm not sure where at, but it's janitorial services definitely in Florida. So those are things you can search for. Maybe you do administrative work. And if that's the case, maybe you put in 541611. Oh, lots of stuff in Florida. So there's plenty of ways to filter this to find information. And it's just about your industry, making it about what you do.